guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Laurie B. Laurie B. Laurie. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing. I'm leaving. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Laurie B. Laurie B. Laurie B. Laurie B. Boxing and reviewing this ring light I got from Amazon. This is the ESDDI 14-inch ring light. I'm so excited to be using this ring light. This is my first time using a professional ring light, and I just want to let you guys know if it's any value for your money, because in 2020, darling, we don't want to be wasting any coins. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Let's get to it. just finished setting up this ring light, guys, and let me just tell you, this ring light is banging. Like, oh, wait a minute. Can we just, oh, appreciate the glow? A little bit on the nose, next side. Oh, this ring light, you guys, I'm going to be experimenting with it so much. I absolutely love this ring light. Oh, it is so lovely. Let me just tweak some, oh, bring out the brightness on that. And this is the white on 50%. How do you guys think it looks? I kind of like this, actually. It gives me like such a nice sheen. I kind of like it. Let's try the blue. Let's try the blue. Oh, oh. Let's try the blue at 100. Now, just looking at it like first time, I'm not too keen on the blue on 100%, but let me tweak it a little bit, bring this down to 50. Okay, it's not that bad at 50. I feel like I wouldn't push it all the way to 100 personally, because I feel like for my skin tone, it just doesn't do anything nice. It kind of makes me look a bit pale, but 50, I kind of like 50. 50 is really nice. If you guys have any questions about this ring light, please comment it in the comment section below, because I would love to hear all your questions. Oh, and remember to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you share this video, and I'll make sure I have the link of this lovely ring light in the description bar for you guys, so you guys can see where I got it from. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, it's 8:30 at night right now, and I just wanted to give you like a different view on how the ring light is when it's dark outside. So now I'm just going to be adjusting the lighting just to show you. So this is 10% and warm right now. Still pretty bright, actually. Let's go up to 50. Oh, whoa. And now let's go up to 100. Now I have to say to be careful about the 100% because it's really, really bright on the eyes. So try not to be like too close to it. Try and be back a little bit. And that's the warm. Now let's go to white on 10%. There's the white. It's again really nice. And then let's go up to 50. So I had to just blink times. The glow is still popping, as you guys can tell. Now let's bring this up to 100. Oh, okay. I feel like the only thing I would say is to be really careful with the 100% on the white, because it is really sharp on the eyes. Now let's go to the blue, and this is blue on 10%. I feel like, again, as I said before, I can see a bit of paleness, but it's not as bad as it was. Let's bring it up to 50. I feel like far away, 50 on blue is not the look for me. But I feel like up close, it's lovely. It really brings out the colour of my highlighter and the glow. Now let's go up to 100. Again, mind the eyes. And this is blue on 100%. I feel like the blue on 100% is quite exposing. I feel like you get to see like everything. So it's really nice. Now let's bring that down and let's bring that to white, because I like the white actually. So guys, that was the nighttime review of the ring light, and I'm gonna have to say that this ring light is so good. It's worth every single penny. I absolutely love it. If you have any questions, make sure you comment it in the comment section below, and I'm gonna put everything I know about the ring light in the description bar, like where I got it from and just little bits and bobs you want to know. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. See you next time. Bye.